Welcome to another Bailiwick online class. My name is Chef Ely Salar. I'm a certified red sauce chef. For this class, we will make 6 different kinds of brick breads. We will make apple pecan scones, white chocolate and raisin scones, banana cream cheese loaf, calamansi almond loaf, mango and oat muffins, and tablea chocolate with pili nut muffins. These recipes are best served for breakfast with coffee, tea, or hot chocolates. These are also best for those who are planning to open their own coffee shops. Hope you will enjoy this class and happy baking!